Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are again on our series of Mikrotik Hotspot. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use Mikhmon Hotspot Monitor application. This is an application created by Laksamadi Guku, which help us in managing our Mikrotik Hotspot. Mikhmon is not a radio server, hence it is not required to run it all the time. You can just use it whenever necessary. In this video, I will use Mikhmon version 3. I will put the link on the description box below for the installer. Let's get started. We are already done with the hotspot configuration. We just use the settings that we set up on the last video. I will put the link of the previous video in the description box below. So let's go now to the installer. Right-click, extract, then double-click Mikhmon server. Click Start Server, and open Mikhmon. We'll be redirected to a browser for us to log in the username and password of our Mikhmon. The default username is Mikhmon. Password is 1234. Click Login. So in here, in the admin settings, you can change the username and password of your Mikhmon application. But for this demonstration, I will just leave it default. So for us to add our Mikrotik device in the Mikhmon application, just click Add Router. So in session name, you can input here what name you want. So in my case, I'll just put it just Anytech. Then IP, Mikrotik, is the IP address of our loopback. So it is 192.168.99.1. So I'll input 192.168.99.1. Username and password of your Mikrotik device. Hotspot name, Jet Hotspot. DNS name, make sure that it is the same to the DNS name that you input here in your IP hotspot. Then currency. Input here the currency of your respective country. Then click Save. Then click Ping. So host 192.168.99.1 is pingable. Therefore, we are connected with the Mikrotik. So to access that one, click Connect. Alright, so this is the dashboard of your Mikhmon. So in here, you can see the system and date and time of your Mikrotik device, the specification of your Mikrotik, the CPU load, the firmware memory, HDD, and the board and the router OS. Then you can see here in the hotspot, also here the hotspot log, graphic graph of one of the interface of your Mikrotik. Then here in the hotspot field, you can see here the Hotspot Active setting, user, and to generate a voucher. So if you click this one, you will be redirected to Hotspot Active setting. And if you click also this one, you will be redirected to Hotspot users. Add will be redirected to the respective setting of the hotspot. So, and here the idle timeout. This means that 10 minutes you will be logged out here in your Mikrotik or in your Mikhmon application. So if you did not make any activity within 10 minutes, then the Mikhmon will log out. This one, you will be logged out. So if you are logged out in your Mikhmon application, To access again your hotspot configuration of your Mikrotik, just click open. Alright. So now, I will demonstrate you how to use this application. So in here, hotspot, you can make user profile. Click add profile. In our case, I'll make 5 minutes profile. And I'll just pull hotspot pull. Then for the rate limit, I will not put any rate limit because we will do budget management. Just like what we did in our previous video. Price, I'll give this one 2 pesos. Then selling price 2. Lock user enable. Then click save. Expiry mode, I'll choose remove on record. So remove on record means user will be deleted when expires. Then record, save the price of each user login to calculate total sales of hotspot user. So I prefer to use remove and record. So remove meaning the voucher that you use will be removed here in the users. It will be removed here. And it will record the user price so that to calculate total sales of hotspot users. So click save. Validity, I'll put 5M. This is the format for the validity. D means days, H means hours, M means minutes. Then that's it. Click save. And you can see that profile here in the profile list. Then to make a voucher, go to user, then generate. You can also, if you are in the dashboard, you can just click generate. You will be redirected to the generate user setting. So I'll make 5 vouchers for the profile 5 minutes. User mode, I'll choose username equals password. Means the username and the password or the voucher that will be generated, you will input that voucher code in the username and password. Then name length, I'll just put 4. Prefix, I'll put 5M. Random character, I'll just put random 1, 2, 3, 4. Time limit, 5M. Data limit, I'll just leave it default. Then click generate. Right. So the voucher that is generated is now here in the user list. And for you to print these vouchers, you can just go to here, profile, click the 5-minute category, then click here. This default QRN small is the template design of your voucher. So to show, just click default. Click default. Go to comment. Click default. This is what it looked like. So zoom. So if you want to put your own logo here, you can upload your logo in the Mikhmon application. So to do that, you can also change this text code voucher. So it means voucher code. So I'll change this one to voucher code. So how to do that? I'll show you guys. So go to your Mikhmon application. Then here in the settings, you can see here template editor and upload logo. So to upload your own logo, just click upload logo. Just click upload logo. It's loading. Click choose file. Then browse here your logo. Make sure that the name of your file is logo dash your hotspot name. So this is the file name. Because if you did not put logo dash, then it will not upload successfully. For example, click just this one, then I'll upload. It will have an error. Alright, that's what you can see. File was not uploaded. File name must be logo dash just any text. So just copy this one, then rename your file. So this one. So go to choose file again and click now the correct file name and upload. Rename this one. So choose file, then logo just any text, open, upload. Right, so success. Click delete the previous logo. Then when you refresh, the logo has now been updated. So next, to change this text, go to template editor. So click template editor, and this is the code in your default template. So just click Ctrl F, then type voucher. Alright, so change this text to voucher code. Click save. And also change the small template. Ctrl F, voucher, then change the text to voucher code. Save. And then go again to the print preview of your voucher, refresh. It's now changed to voucher code. Alright. Now let's go back now to our Mikhmon. Go to dashboard. So we are now done configuring our user profile for our hotspot. So after we created this one, we will now go to our Mikrotik device. And go to user profiles, hotspot user profiles. Double click the created profile. Then go here, incoming packet mark and outgoing packet mark. So I already demonstrated these settings on our last video. This is the purpose of this one is for our bandwidth management. So click apply, then okay. So when we created profile here in the Mikhmon, it will create a scheduler. This scheduler will monitor if the voucher is expired. So if it's expired, then it will remove it to the users. So Here in the users, you'll see here the created vouchers. And here in the Hotspot Active, you will see here the connected devices. So I'll try to connect my phone to the hotspot. I'll use one of the vouchers generated. So I'll go to user list. I'll use this one, this voucher. Connect to that hotspot. I'll input 5M 3455. Copy that code and paste it in the password also. Connect. Alright, so I'm now connected to the JAT hotspot. You can see my device here in the hotspot active. This is my device. So my expiry is 5 minutes. So when I go here in the active, we'll see here my uptime. So when it reaches 5 minutes, then this voucher 5M3455 will be removed here in the users tab. So it will be removed. So let's continue. Here in the vouchers, you will see here the profiles that we created. So profile 5 minutes. So when you click this one, you can see here the generated vouchers. So if you want to add, just click generate. Then click here quantity. Then input the necessary settings. Then here in the logs, you can see here the logs for your hotspot. The HCP leases. Here in the traffic monitor also, you can choose here your desired interface that you want to monitor. So I'll choose bridge hotspot interface. So I'm now connected with the JAT hotspot. I'll try to do speed test, and you will see here that the traffic is successfully monitored. So when I do speed test, sorry, I'm not doing a speed test. You will see here. So 11.2. So here in the Mikhmon, you can see here also 9.54, 10 MB, 10 MB. Upload the peak 13 MB, then now goes down. So you can see here, or you can monitor here your traffic or your desired interface. So here in the report, you will see here your sales. So for the month of July, we already have a sale of 25 pesos. So if you want to filter what date, so for example, date July 22. July 22. So you can see here, click filter. You will see here that you have a sale of 23 pesos in July 22, 2023. You can also extract that report. Click CSV to download the file. Then you can print it. Alright, so it's very nice. You can see here what voucher code is that, and the price, the corresponding price of the code. So let's check. So we already now have 2 minutes, 1 minute left. So I'll pause the video and resume when 5 minutes is near. Alright, so it's almost 5 minutes, the uptime for our device. Alright, so when it reach 5 minutes, it will be removed in the active, and it will be removed also here in the users. This will be removed later. So it's just being delayed, but it will be removed successfully. So while we are waiting, let's go again here in the dashboard of your Mikhmon application. So if you want to change the color theme of your web GUI, graphic user interface, just click theme, then choose what theme you want. So if you want light, this is what it looks like. If you want blue, green, and pink. So in my case, I want dark theme. Right, let's run through again to check if I've missed something. So go to dashboard, hotspot users, user list. If you want to create a user, only a user, then just click add user. Click a name, then password. So for example, I'll input here premium 1. So say for example, this is a premium user. I'll just put premium 1, password premium 1. And I'll choose a profile. So if you want a premium user, you can create a user profile for that premium user. So user profile. So I'll name this one premium. I'll just pull and rate limit now, then expired mode. Just let's say for example, remove on record, validity 30 days. Price 150. Lock user enable. Meaning lock user means that only one user that is allowed to connect to the hotspot, that user will be locked. So the device that connected first to the voucher will be locked here in our Mikrotik. So click save, then go back now to users, then add user. So when you add user, premium 1, default premium, time limit 30 days. Click save. So you can now use these credentials to your Jet hotspot. Next, we'll now go to Hotspot Active. Quick print. DCP list. You can see here the DCP lists of your hotspot. Session settings. If you want to change the idle time of the Mikhmon application, you can change it here in the idle timeout. So if you want to change 30 minutes, then click save. So it will be changed to 30 minutes. Then if you log out, then put again password. And if you want to add another hotspot, you can also add. You can just add. So I think this is it. So just check here in the Mikrotik device. So check here in the Mikrotik device if the voucher has been deleted. So as you can see, it is removed. So we have 5 vouchers previously, but now it is now 4. So the voucher that we use last time is, you can see here in the report, the voucher that we use previously is this one, 5M3455, July 24. So successful. So the sales now as of July 24 is 25 pesos. So if you want to change the template of your voucher, if you are expert in HTML, you can edit this one here in the template editor. This is it, guys, on how to use Mikhmon Hotspot Monitor. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please also hit that notification bell so you can be notified to my new videos. Bye for now and have a nice day.